Ramps Part 2. Normally ramps are in the ramp bay, which is situated underneath the semi-trailer. Sometimes extra ramps are needed in the course of unloading. These ramps could be ratchet strapped to the wall of the truck and or held above the cargo on load bars in the truck. A separate team will be needed to remove these ramps either from overhead or the side of the truck, passed down to the ramp crew on the floor. Once the ramp is finished with in its loading scenario, it should be returned to the ramp bay or inside the truck itself. If it is needed for continual work later, it should be stored off to the side and out of the way, face up, laying flat. If this can't be done, a ramp can be leant up against the wall of a building or up against the rear axles of the truck. At no time should a ramp be leant up against a tree, a post, or a pole. The reason being is should the wind pick up the ramp, it can flip the ramp over, and with the sharp edges at the head and tail of the ramp, it may cause serious injury. So never leave a ramp leant up against a tree, a post, a pole, etc.